Hi everyone and welcome to the Lisk Center here in Berlin. This year we're organizing the Lisk SDK Hackathon here at the Lisk Center in Berlin during Berlin Blockchain Week. Come to check it out. So this year we're organizing the hackathon here. As you can see, the main room and the kitchen behind me we have where you can grab some fresh drinks. We're gonna set up big tables here so you have the opportunity to connect your laptop and your computer. If you're looking to have a more chill vibe, you're always welcome to join here in the chill room, we call it, where we have some puffs, some nice sofas where you can chill. And if you're looking to have a more private meeting, you have the opportunity to do it here in the meeting room. I think this year is a great opportunity to join the hackathon, either from Lisk Center or online. If you are here at the Lisk Center, you also have the opportunity to see all the other events that are going on here in Berlin during Berlin Blockchain Week. And if you are joining, it's another opportunity to learn about the Lisk SDK from our SDK team, our community team, and dedicated team members that will be here helping out throughout the whole event. During the hackathon, you will be competing for two different prizes, one being the great prize pool of 4,000 Swiss francs paid in LSK tokens. The winner would also have the opportunity to win the Lisk Bootstrap Grant of 4,000 Swiss francs. The Lisk Bootstrap Grant is a part of the Lisk Accelerator program, which allows you to continuously receive support from the Lisk team and keep building your blockchain application with support. If you are in Berlin during the 9 and 10 of September, join us here at the Lisk Center in Berlin or online at hackathon.lisk.com.